Alrighty guys, we got a extreme cold start for you here. It's our 1969 dump truck. You've seen it once before. Cold start, 50 degrees. Right now it's 14 degrees out. Yeah, it's really cold. Whew. So, never even tried to start it this cold before. Let's see what happens here. Battery could even be dead. I don't know, let's see what happens here. Let's see here, put it in. Yeah, it's cold. But 350, big block. I think it's a big block, I don't even know. It's actually kind of warm in here. Fix the key in. I got it. Alright. Let's see what happens. Come on there, old baby. Oh man, that is awesome. Ooh. Oh, good Lord. Choke. Alright. That is sweet. Oh my God. You can depend on your GMC, that is for sure. Oh man, come on. Come on, old girl. Oh yeah, there we go. No. Oh. Come on. Come on, old girl. No. Oh my God. Gonna have to warm her up. Oh, for God's sakes, now it's just being sad. Come on, old girl. Whoa. She is cold. Alright, well, try again. Cool. I'm glad I can depend on it though when it's cold out though. There. Doesn't even smoke, it's a good running machine. Alright guys, talk to y'all later. See ya.